my nature, nor my duty. It is the womanhood in me. Hey, oh, hey. Hey, oh, hey. I was a lost and angry youth. There were no tears in my eyes. I saw no justice in my world, only the echoes of the cries I cannot fight. I cannot a warrior be. It is my nature, not my duty. It is the womanhood in me. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Hey, oh, hey.